A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter human reproduction, and the topic is hormonal regulation of spermatogenesis and regulation of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Oogenesis. As we discussed in previous class, the oogenesis process takes place in ovary, where the follicular cells undergoes in proliferation and differentiation to form ova. Inside the ovary, then ovulation takes place. After the ovulation, the further development of egg or ovum takes place inside the fallopian tube, whereas the spermatogenesis process takes place in the testes, inside the testes, in the seminiferous tubule, where the two type of cells line the germinal epithelium present in the lining of the seminiferous tubule. These two type of cells are germ cells, spermatogonia, or Sertoli cells. The Sertoli cells involved in the development of the sperms. Now, what are the hormonal regulation? Hormones that participate in the spermatogenesis or as well as in oogenesis. First, we discuss about the spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. In the spermatogenesis process, the hormonal regulation done by the gonadotropin hormone, which is secreted by the anterior pituitary gland. Here is anterior pituitary gland. Anterior anterior pituitary gland, and this one is posterior pituitary gland. Now, anterior and posterior, both the pituitary gland connected with the hypothalamus. From the hypothalamus, GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, releases GnRH. Act on the anterior pituitary gland, releasing from the hypothalamus. The gonadotropin releasing hormone act on the anterior pituitary gland for the secretion of gonadotropin hormone. These gonadotropin hormone are FSH, FSH, and LH. In case of spermatogenesis or in case of male, the LH is also known as ICTH. ICSH. Interstitial cell stimulating hormone, LH. FSH is follicle stimulating hormone. These two hormones secreted by FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, follicle stimulating hormone secreted by anterior pituitary gland, and FSH or LH2, luteinizing hormone, or interstitial cell or ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. interstitial cell stimulating hormone, both secreted by the anterior pituitary gland, and act on follicle stimulating cell, act on germ cell or spermatogonia. FSH act on germinal germ cell spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. So FSH act on spermatogonia. Now they stimulate spermatogonia for proliferation or undergoes in mitosis division. First they undergoes in mitosis division to form primary oocyte cell. So by the action of FSH on spermatogonia, so simply they act on spermatogonia for so that they undergoes in mitosis division to form primary oocyte to form primary oocyte. So overall these are the function of FSH. Now LH, let us discuss about the LH. Now next is LH. LH hormone secreted by also anterior pituitary gland but act on the Leydig cell in the seminiferous tubule. In the interstitial cell, or that's why they are known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone because of their action. They act on the interstitial cells or Leydig cells for the secretion of testosterone and another hormone, which is secreted by the anterior, first LH hormone secreted by anterior pituitary gland when they act on Leydig cell, or Leydig cell secreted by the testes or interstitial cells. So here is Leydig cell in the interstitial cell, or that's why they are known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone because of their action. They act on the interstitial cells or Leydig cells for the secretion of testosterone and another hormone, which is secreted by the anterior, first LH hormone secreted by anterior pituitary gland when they act on Leydig cell, or Leydig cell secreted by the testes or interstitial cells. So here is Leydig cell. Leydig cell. Now let us discuss about the luteinizing hormone. Hormone act on Leydig cells for the secretion of testosterone. Testosterone is a male hormone which controls the secondary sexual character of male. Now, so these are the testis hormone. Two hormone are FSH or LH hormone. Now let us discuss about the hormonal regulation of oogenesis process. Hormonal regulation of oogenesis. Here is again anterior pituitary gland. hypothalamus. From the hypothalamus, GnRH releases gonadotropin releasing hormone. Act on interior pituitary gland, or they secrete two hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, or LH hormone, luteinizing hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone act on the ovary, follicular cells of ovary. So this is the structure of follicular cells, ovary, then follicular cells. So FSH act on follicular cells for the proliferation. Cells for the proliferation and differentiation, or LH hormone act for the ovulation. Now, the follicle cell converted into the corpus luteum. Here is corpus luteum. Ovulation process. Here is LH hormone. LH act on the ovary for disruption of follicular cells for ejaculation of ovum, or so that ovum expel out from the ovary. That process is known as ovulation process. Or after the ovulation, the follicular cells converted into the corpus luteum. Here is corpus luteum. Converted into the corpus luteum, LH responsible for the development of corpus luteum and ovulation process both. LH or FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, act on the follicular cell for the differentiation and proliferation. So form the follicle cells aggregated on the primary oocyte cell, or that development of the Graafian follicle takes place after the aggregation of follicular cells over the ovum. So the formation of or aggregation of follicular cells release estrogen. Estrogens. Release estrogen. Estrogen. So there are two hormones, estrogen, and the second one is progesterone. Progesterone. So overall, two are pituitary hormone that secreted by the interior pituitary gland, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. So luteinizing hormone act on the follicular cells for the ovulation process, or for expulsion of ovum takes place from the ovary. Then after, LH also control the development of corpus luteum, or corpus luteum get well developed after the ovulation process, or cells of corpus luteum secrete progesterone hormone. So there are two hormones which is secreted by the cells of ovary, estrogen which are secreted by the follicular cells of ovum, and also follicular cells of primary and secondary oocytes, and progesterone secreted by the corpus luteum, whereas two are the gonadotropin hormone, which are secreted by the anterior pituitary gland, follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. GnRH gonadotropin releasing hormone secreted by the hypothalamus that control the secretion of gonadotropin hormone. For hypothalamus, that's why the hypothalamus is also known as the master of master gland, because it controls the secretion of pituitary gland. GnRH control the secretion of gonadotropin hormone like FSH or LS. Only two hormones are there in the female or male both. FSH or LS secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Overall, they control the development and growth of ovum or germ cells. FSH act on the follicular cells of oogonia. Oogonia is the germ cell of in case of female. When the FSH follicular stimulating hormone act on oogonia, the mitosis occur or then after meiosis occur into the primary oocyte cell. Then aggregation of follicular cells over the egg or that is the development of the follicle into the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle like FSH or LS. Only two hormones are there in the female or male both. FSH or LS secreted by anterior pituitary gland. Overall, they control the development and growth of ovum or germ cells. FSH act on the follicular cells of oogonia. Oogonia is the germ cell of in case of female. When the FSH follicular stimulating hormone act on oogonia, the mitosis occur or then after meiosis occur into the primary oocyte cell. Then aggregation of follicular cells over the egg or that is the development of the follicle into the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle overall secrete the estrogen. Whenever secrete the estrogen, so overall they control the development of ovary as well as corpus luteum because of the LH hormone. Progesterone, now the function of estrogen or the progesterone progesterone is the pregnancy hormone because they control or maintain the endometrium wall, also thereby maintain the pregnancy of female. Now and so other characteristics also develop during the secretion of progesterone hormone. During the secretion of progesterone hormone maintain the pregnancy, also develop the maternal behavior in female. Maternal behavior or maintain progesterone hormone also maintain the endometrium wall. Now, estrogen is the secondary sexual character in female. Secondary sexual character in female developed by the estrogen. If estrogen is present in proper amount, the secondary sexual character developed in case of female or by the estrogen hormone, by the estrogen. And these characters are the high pitch of voice, breast development, or pubic hair development, or libido. All these such type of characteristic developed by the estrogen. As in case of male, the secondary sexual character appearance of facial hair, beard and mustache, aggressive behavior, libido, spermatogenesis also the process, and low pitch voice, for example low pitch voice, development of blood cells, formation of blood cells, development of blood vessels, and the formation of muscles, and increase in the width of muscle cells. All these occur in male after the secretion of testosterone, because all such type of function is controlled by the testosterone. So overall these hormones regulate the overall function function of spermatogenesis and oogenesis, and 2 male and female characteristic. Now, in male, the hormones are FSH or LH or ICSH, secreted by anterior pituitary gland, anterior gland, anterior pituitary gland. Second, in testosterone, secreted by Leydig cell, Leydig cells. Now, in female, FSH or LH, secreted by anterior pituitary gland, anterior pituitary gland, and estrogen, progesterone, secreted by estrogen and progesterone secreted by ovary. These are secreted by follicular cells, and these progesterone secreted from secreted by and act on endometrium wall, secreted by corpus luteum, act on endometrium wall. So here is overall about the hormonal regulation of oogenesis, spermatogenesis process, where the FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, control the proliferation and differentiation of germ cells, oogonia or spermatogonia in male or oogonia in female. LH hormone control the ovulation process in female, whereas in male they control the secretion of testosterone, which develop the secondary sexual character. Also the primary sex organ, development of primary sex organ and the secondary sexual character, both are takes place by the secretion of testosterone. Now, testosterone act on the overall the body or the body features. FSH or LH secreted by the anterior pituitary gland in case of female or male both, but they act on the ovary in case of female, or from the ovary estrogen, progesterone both secret except these hormones. Some other hormones are also secreted by female but do not responsible in any type of spermatogenesis or oogenesis process. They help in the implantation of the embryo, growth of fetus in case of female. And other hormone secreted like prostaglandins secrete in male by the seminal vesicle or help in the growth of or actually growth and motility. They provide motility to the sperm. So overall growth and motility provided by the prostaglandins in case of male. So overall these are the hormonal regulation of spermatogenesis and oogenesis process. I hope you like this video. Keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching me.